How to split long videos into short clips in vid.io. So first go to vid.io and then you can just click on create new project here. And then from there, you can just click on upload files and then upload your file here. So I'll just upload mine. And there you go. Now, if you want to split it into short clips, you can just look for the clip that you want to split it into. So for example, I want to split it into this part here, and then you can just click on split here, and then delete this part, and then you can go and export this one, select your quality, then click on export video. Okay, and then you can just wait for it to export, then click on download here. Now after downloading that first short clip, you can just click on edit video here at the top to return to the original, and then you can just delete this clip here and then go to your media here, and then you can just go and upload your clip, your file again. Click on upload file, then upload the file again. Okay, upload the original file where you didn't split the video. Okay, go there again, and there you go. And then you can just go remove the one that you split earlier. So let's say we've split it here. So what we're going to do is just delete this part here, since we've already have this first part here, and then you can just go to this one, and then you can just export and then upload this part again. Okay, now you will have two short clips of that long video. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.